If you want to delete your iCloud account permanently, it is important to follow the correct steps to ensure that all your data is removed securely. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Backup your data. Before deleting your iCloud account, make sure to back up any important data you want to keep. This can include photos, documents, and contacts. You can use an external hard drive or another cloud service for this purpose. Step 2. Sign out of iCloud. On your Apple device, go to Settings, tap on your name at the top, scroll down, and select Sign Out. You may need to enter your Apple ID password to complete this step. This will disconnect your device from your iCloud account. Step 3. Visit Apple ID account page. Open a web browser and go to the Apple ID account page at apple.apple.com. Sign in with your Apple ID and password to access your account settings. Step 4. Request account deletion. Once logged in, scroll down to the Data and Privacy section. Click on Manage your data and then select Delete your account. Follow the prompts to confirm your request for account deletion. Step 5. Confirm deletion. Apple will provide information about what will happen when your account is deleted. Read through the details carefully, then confirm your decision to delete your account. You may receive a confirmation email once the process is complete. After following these steps, your iCloud account will be permanently deleted. Make sure to consider the implications of this action, as it cannot be undone.